Xiamen Goomax Energy Technology Company Limited is dedicated to the advancement of the renewable solar energy sector by integrating research and development, production and services for solar mounting systems into a complete industry chain. Our mission is to offer customers dependable, cost-effective, and efficient solar mounting solutions, while also contributing to the creation of a greener, cleaner, and sustainable future for all. "20 years from now, solar energy will be the predominant source of electricity on a global scale. Gumax is devoted to developing a comprehensive industry chain for diverse solar mounting systems. Our group is entirely committed to research and development, having established strategic technical partnerships with Xiamen University and Huaqiao University and gathered a technical team of more than 100 professionals. Our design was entirely tailored by the needs of the customers we serve, fully considering factors such as geography and climate, load capacity, ease of installation, and cost effectiveness.